In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frequently asked questions in GoDaddy website. An FAQ section helps visitors find quick answers and reduces repetitive support requests. So let's set it up together. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Look for the official GoDaddy website in the results and click it. If you're already signed in, great. Otherwise, log into your account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account for the site you want to edit. Once you're on the GoDaddy site, move to the top right and click your profile or username. From the drop-down that appears, select My Products. This opens your product dashboard, where you can see all your domains and website projects. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the site name or domain so you're editing the right one. Inside the editor, you'll see your pages and sections. To add the FAQ, look for the plus sign that lets you add a new section and click it. This opens the section library. You'll see different categories. Choose the general category to access commonly used blocks. From there, select Frequently Asked Questions. This will load the FAQ options so you can place it on your page. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a layout. GoDaddy offers a single-column or a two-column FAQ. Pick the one that best suits your content and page design. If you have short questions and want a compact look, two columns can save space. If you have longer answers or want a more linear reading experience, single column often feels cleaner. Remember, you can switch layouts later if it doesn't look the way you expect. After you place the section, you'll see placeholder questions and answers that you can replace with your own content. Keep your questions simple and specific, and write answers that are concise, scannable, and in your brand's tone. Group related topics together so visitors can find what they need quickly. As you add content, glance at the spacing and readability to ensure it's easy on the eyes. That's it. Your FAQ section is now part of your site. You've gone from opening GoDaddy to navigating your products to adding a new FAQ block under General and choosing the layout that fits your design. Take a moment to review how it looks on the page and refine your wording for clarity. With a solid FAQ in place, your visitors will get answers faster and your site will feel more polished and helpful.